Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, welcome. You might as well click that subscribe button down below and also click the notification bell to be notified when I post any new videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So right here I'm just wetting my hair with warm water and massaging it throughout my scalp and throughout the rest of my hair in order to loosen up any product and also to open up my hair cuticle. So now I'm just taking my shampoo. I will list all the products that I use down below in the description box, but I'm just taking my shampoo and I'm really focusing on massaging that into my scalp. I don't put shampoo throughout all of my hair just because it strips my hair really bad, and as you're rinsing the shampoo out of your scalp, the shampoo from your scalp actually runs through the rest of your hair and cleans the rest of your hair, so you don't really have to put shampoo throughout all of your hair. And I actually only wash my hair with shampoo 2 times out of the month, and the other 2 times I co-wash, so I just alternate between the two. Just because I feel like shampooing my hair every single week is like really stripping and it makes my hair extremely dry. So you can also try co-washing in between your shampoos if you realize your hair is really dry even after conditioning.
Slow the motion, don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done.
Now I'm just taking my Suave Tropical Coconut Conditioner and I'm going to apply a very generous amount of this throughout my hair when I can actually get it out of the bottle. But I like to use this conditioner because it has a lot of slip and it really does make the tangling easier.
We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward. Give me all
Now to detangle my hair, I like to detangle my hair in sections, so I take very random sections throughout my head and I part them off. And I like to take my shower comb and detangle from ends to root and then just twist that section up to keep it out of the way.
You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirt. So me for that work. Where you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. You walk out before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me that.
Slow the motion, don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling.
Now on to deep conditioning. I like to make sure I squeeze all the water out of my hair, well, as much water as I can out of my hair before doing this. And I take a very generous amount of deep conditioner and make sure to apply it throughout all of my hair, making sure to coat all of my strands.
see me do me dirt. So me for that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man, drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirt.
Now I'm just taking my hair and putting in a bun on top of my head and covering my hair with the shower cap, and then I'm going to sit under my heated dryer for about 30 minutes.
Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'm asleep at decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, have you work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work.
Now I'm just making sure to squeeze as much water as I can out of my hair, and I like to use a t-shirt to dry my hair because it minimizes frizz. And when my hair is about 75% dry, I like to use the LOC method to moisturize and seal my hair. And that's it, guys. This is my super simple wash day routine. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.